Hello, guys. Welcome back. We are continuing with some more formulas and functions in this video. In this video, I'm mainly focusing on the some text functions in Excel and also some date functions. So I will cover through some basic text functions. It can be used for your daily Excel workbook creation. So let's start. In the formula section, you can see that a different section of the text formulas. We are discussing some text functions and some date and time functions. So let's start with some text functions here. So these are the all available text functions, and let's go through all of this. Not all of this, some of this useful. I will go through this. So character function, char. Character function. What is character function? Character function returns basically the your. Sorry, let me bring it here. One second. So this one is the character code in your computer. For each character represents an ASCII code. So for example, 33 is an exclamation point, and 34 is a double quotation, and 36 is a dollar sign, and 37 is a percentage sign. So each character, there is a code available in your computer, or each code represents a character ASCII code. So character function mainly returns, if you provide the number 33 to returns corresponding character. For example, if I am passing 40, it is a left parenthesis, and 45 it will be in a hyphen, 42 is asterisk, and so on. So let's see how it works here. For example, here I am typing equal to char of 42. So it should return a star. So you can see that it returns a star here. Character 42 returns a asterisk, and 43. Let's copy this here and change it to 43. So 43 returns a plus sign. So if you provide a ASCII code, then it returns corresponding character for that. For example, for letter A, you have 65, I believe. Yeah. And small a, let me check. What is small a is 92. It is ash. I don't remember what to say. All I am saying is that the character called the ASCII function returns. The character function returns ASCII code. We provide ASCII code and return corresponding character. So it's useful in the some of the text manipulation. If you want, instead of using this one, there will be a situation like you need to use the character code to combine the text. So in that case, you can use this function. So let's do some other function. Let me delete this table. And the most places you will be using the length of the string. For example, I need to put equal to sign here. Len functions. what is returns. So length function takes the one argument, then if you close this, it returns number of characters in a string. So for example, this column has 22 characters. So if I keep copying this, so we can say that each sentence in this column A has different number of characters. So this will be useful to find the length of the total length of a string. So if I'm removing one character from here, it will be 21. So you can see that I removed dot from there. So I put it back. And let's go move with the other function. If you want to cut some characters, you want to extract some character from the left side, you can use left function. Left function takes two arguments. One is the text you want to extract the character, and how many characters from the left side. For example, I'm providing this one, and let's get 3 characters. So what it returns? It returns the 3 characters from left side. So if I copy this, it will returns all 3 characters from these strings. So same as you can use the right as well, equal to right and text and 3 characters. It will give you 3 characters from the right side. So in all cases there is a dot, so that's a thing, ht and dot. So if I change to 4 characters, then it will give it 4 characters from the right side. And there is another function called mid. So mid takes 3 arguments. One is text, which you want to use, and a start number and a number of characters. So this will returns number of characters from specified definition from in between things. The left is returning the left side, left is returning from the left side, and right is from the right side. And if you want to get some characters from the mid, you can use the mid function. So I'm using this text, and I want to get the shines. So 1, 2, 3. So what is where the shine starts? Which number? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From ninth character. So I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. So it gives you shines. So what I did here, let me enlarge this a little bit, zoom in, so that so maybe 200, just a bit more. Okay, so yeah, mid gives you, so I'm using this complete text, and the position 9 means from the 9th character position give 6 characters. So this is the 9th character position S, and from this gives 6 character. For example, if you want to get the sun from this string, so what is the character position of sun? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many letters you need to get? 3. So if I change this to 6 and 3, you'll get, sorry, that is not correct. So what is the position of S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. Sorry, I should this will be 6% and 3 characters. So we got a sun. So if you copy this one, this all applies to this character, this strings. So we checked left, right, and sun. So another useful function is that if you want to find the position, you don't know where it is, but you want position of a particular string, a particular character in a character or string in a text. For example, I want to find a space. What is the position of the space in this text? So in this case, there is a space here, and there is a space here, and there is a space here. So I want to get the position of the first space. Okay, I want to get the position of the first space. So in this case, I will be using a function called search function, and find text what I need to find. So in the double quotes, you put a space here and double quotes again and close it. So I'm going to find a space within a text. This is the text I need to find. And what is the next argument is optional argument, that is start number, from where I need to start. So by default it will start from the beginning. So I will close this one. So this is the 4, so it returns 4. So let's check the 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is the first occurrence of the space. So if I copy here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth position is the space. Let's copy this one too. So you can see that sixth position is the space. So if we copy here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here also sixth position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position. So fifth position. So it returns first occurrence of the space. Okay. So if I am starting from here, sixth position, so we can give an argument like so I gave the argument, additional argument here, start searching from fifth character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this the position is 8. So the count occurs here from here, but the search start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the position. So searching starts from fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, fifth position. So this is the search function. So by using these three functions, what we need to do, I want to cut a whole or all second words in this sentences. So let's try that. I'm going to cut a second word in these sentences. So I will be using a mid function. So mid made, and I am using text this, and usually, so if you want second position of this string, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position and 3, that is the, if you are cutting, specifically saying this sentence, then you can use this the words like 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position and 3. So you got sun here. This is a second word, but when you are copying here, it won't work because this fifth position is S and 3 character S space and C. So how we can make it happen on this one? So in this case, we want to two things we need. The first position of the character. Okay. First position of the space from these all letters, and get a second position of the space. So let's do a trick here. So what I'm going to do, the first position of the, I'm using search here. So what I am going to search space comma, and where I'm going to search here. So this gives the first position of the space. What is this first? Search. Okay, you need to add one more character because it's giving the space plus 1. So what I did is a search space in A1. The first position of the search is, it gives 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need to start from this letter, so I added 1 from here. So it's giving you the 4 plus 1. So you got sun here, but when you go in here, what it will give? It will give the 3 character only. So we need to find the second position of the space. So what we are going to do, find the second space position. So we will use the search function again to find the second position. So what we are going to do, so let's come back again. So we need to cut the second word, right? So we need to find this position and this position in each word. First space position and second space position. So we will use the find search function again. So let's do a formula here to find the second position of the, then we will come back here. Okay, so I'm using search again. Search from this string, find text, space from this string gives you 6. So this is giving you the 6th position of the first. So in this case, search starts should 6. So I am copying this one. I'm using another search inside. Okay, I'm going to do search and use this search here. I'll remove this search and this gives you the starting position, and search should start from this position. Let's see what it returns. This returns 1. Search in So I changed the formula a little bit here. You can see here the search to get the second space position. So I'm finding the search in this string A2, but position of this should start from position of the first. This will return the position of the first space, and I am adding 1 here, so it will be always space after character. Then search from there and gives you the second position. Let's see what this does. Sorry. This gives you 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's copy this one here. Let's give you 11. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct. So this formula gives you the second portion of the space. So we need to cut from here to here. So come back to this formula. So what it does, like mid of A1, search position A, this first position plus 1, and this is the second position, right? So what I am going to do is take this formula and put it here, but this number of characters I'm doing search from here. It's a little bit not complicated, but I'm managing using the search here. So this is a 12, it won't return you the correct value, but what we need 12 minus 6. So use this one and give a minus here. Sunshine, still not there. So A1 from this position to number of characters is, this is the second position minus first position, 6. Okay, let's check what we did here in this formula. In this formula, what we did here, mid of A1. So I'm cutting the exciting from here and search A1 plus 1. What it returns? It's returned the position search space in the A1 plus 1. So this position plus this one, so this is S. And we need a second position. This need a number of characters, right? So I'm finding this position and minusing this position from this position. So what it does here, so this will give you the second position. So I'm starting from start searching again space and from A1, and what position I am seeing, the first space plus 1. So it gives you the second position. It gives you 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 8th position. So I need to, if I subtract from this to this, I will get 3 characters. That's what I'm saying here. Now let's copy this here. You can see that here second word is this one, second word is this, love, work, and so on. So if you want to explain me in detail here what I did, let's take the paint. Let's take a paint. Come on. Copy this here. Come on. It's slow, my computer today. Let's expand that a little bit, and I will cut this string here. Let's increase some font size here. 20 maybe. Yeah, that's enough. So basically what I did here, so this one saying that whole text, and from here to here, make this a little bit more thinner. I put color green here. So this to this here, I am saying that starting position of the mid function. So space in the cell +1. So first position, this is the position I am aiming. And what this gives is the this gives you the second position here. So search a space in this all text, but start position is space plus search space +1 from here. So I get this here. So let me go back here, this here. And what I'm doing, the length I am reducing here, subtracting here. So this gives the position 1, 2, 3, 4. So reducing 8, subtracting 8 minus 3, so it will be 3 characters from here. That's what I did. So it will, when you copy this will be applying, dynamically working for all formulas. That's what I did here. So same way you can use the third or fourth letters here. So that's the all mid function. I'm combining with the search function in order to make that happen. So there is other functions you can use, like substitute and so on. So these are some basic functions. Let's go back here. What else we can show you here? Some commonly used function is the replace function. If you want to replace something with something, you can use replace function. Let's check that function here. Equal to replace old text and start number of characters and new text. So for example, I want to replace sun with moon here. So what I do, so old text, what is old text? I need to do sun, and and the start number is 1 from 1, and the number of characters 3, and new text is no. Let's see what this does. Okay. So better to understand the replace, I will use different text here. It will be easy. Create a new text here. For example, I am creating a random text here. Let's create a text here. Dash. For example, 2017 001. Let's copy this one here. I have a random text here. So what I need to do in 2017, I need to replace the 2018. So let's use the replace function here. So replace. So what are the functions here? So all text here, and what I'm doing from start number, give the position of this one, that is 5 2017, and how many characters? 4 characters, and I want to replace with the 2018. Right, 2018. So it replaces 2017 with 2018 here. So what I said here, replace in this text from the position 5, number of characters is 4, and replace with this. That's the replace function. Then let's do some other functions here, like some other useful function is the upper of this. Let's see what it returns. So what it returns is the uppercase letter. So it converts the uppercase. Same, it converts all letters to upper. Doesn't matter if the T is upper or lower. Then this one, same, like if you want to convert it lower, of this one, so it converts all to lower. So for example, if you want to convert all this to first letter to capital, it's called a proper case, equal to proper of this one, but it's returned. Let's see. So see, the all words first letter convert to capital. So these are some other useful text functions, and you can try all these text functions here, right? Search, substitute, and everything. Additional trim. So if you have the additional space in the text, you can trim it. So some cases when you're copying the data from somewhere, there will be an additional space. So it is just let's get the length of this string. Since at a column here, 2 columns basically. Insert one more column, and I added some space here. See, these are the spaces I added. I want to remove these spaces from this here. So let's check the length of the length of, sorry, len, not length, and of this. Is 33 now. Okay, so I am trimming here, equal to trim this one. So I trimmed here. So it's give the same, you don't feel the difference here, but let's check the length after this here. Insert column and equal to length of this, length of this here. So is 22. So I put some space here, that was 33, and this trims that value, this trims that spaces and gives this number as 3. So this removes the space. If I copy this one to somewhere else, you can see that pasting a value only. So you can see that there is no space here. So in this string there was a space here, this many spaces here, but here there is no space at the end. So this is the trimmed value. So these are some text function you can try. Now I'm going to show you some basic text functions. So for this I have some data here. Okay, inside some date, I will be doing some date operations here. So first I want to get a month number from here. So you can type month from this date. So it's give you 11. So if I copy this one, it's give you the copy like that, and it give you the month number. So if you want to get the month name, there is a function called text, and you need to provide the formatting text of this and give a format that represents the conversion character. So we got a November here. But if you want to get the full month name, what you need to do, let me insert one more column here. Taking text again, and this function, this data, this date, and instead of 3m provide 4m, and you will get full month name. So this gives the month number, the short month name, and this is the month name full. And if you want to find year from this date, year of this one gives you the year number. Good. Okay, some other functions is the, for example, I want to find the day number, day equal to So it's give you the go back here, remove the decimal space some. Day number and month number you already got. It's all true. For example, let me edit this to 25. So it will give you the 25 as a day number. So you got day, month and year from this. So if you want to find a date difference, number of days between the two dates, for example, today, what is the number of days from today to this one? What is the date difference you can use? So days from date equal to days. Use days function. So for today's you can use now function. Now returns today's date, and end date is this, and start date is this one. So let's see what that's this. This gives minus 22. So what is this means? 25/11. Let's see what end date minus start date. That's something wrong. Maybe let's change this to here. No, 22 days. That's not correct. Yeah, it's correct actually. 11, 25. Yeah, November 25. That's correct. That's correct in the first place. Today is November 3. Let's put this back. Yeah. And this one. Yeah, minus 22. Minus 22 means today's date is, if you print today's date here, today equal to now is November 3 is giving with the time. So this is the November 3 here. So I am calculating November 3 minus number 25. So let's copy this here. So it's from 2024 for 101 January 1st, this many days. So it's giving the number of days here. So it's calculating based on the today's date. So you can give the particular date here. For example, if I am giving like next day here, let's see next day. Second day, 1/1 20 2014. So what it does is need to convert as a date, that's why it's not giving the value. M3. What is M3? M3 is this one. Okay. So it's need to convert as a date, I think. Let's put the date here. That's it, more easier. Insert date here. Copy this to here and this. Copy this to here and change one day. Change one day more. So it should, instead of this one, I'm passing the second day there. So it gives 1. So difference between this and this is 1 day. So that's what. So this case you already explained. This is the number 3 and I am trying to minus from the number 25. So if it is number 1, you get what? 3 days, 2 days. Or 1. So 2 days I got from here. So these are some basic date functions you can use. I'm wrapping up for today. I will see you in the next video with some more functions useful in the basic day-to-day operations in the Excel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.